Today I'm sharing a simple recipe to make the best mouth-watering Italian meatballs spaghetti that is our family's favorite. These are the ingredients we are going to use today. The meatballs used today is the Italian-style meatballs 3 pounds bag. I will be cooking 1.5 pounds of meatballs, which is half of the bag. 1 cup chopped onion, 6 cloves of garlic chopped, jalapeno and red chili pepper, 1 jar of mushroom marinara sauce, Parmesan cheese. Cut the 3 tomatoes. Now let's get cooking. Start with cooking the spaghetti in a pot with hot water. Then in a heated pan put 1 tablespoon of butter. Add olive oil, black pepper, add chopped garlic, add grinded Italian seasoning. Now I can smell the nice aroma arises from the pan. Chopped onions, stir more until the onions start to soften. Add jalapeno and red chili pepper. You can adjust the amount or just skip it, depending on if you want to taste the spicy. Add chopped tomatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now it's time to add the thawed meatballs. Add mushroom marinara pasta sauce. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add chopped parsley. Turn off the heat. Ready to scoop meatballs with sauce on top of cooked spaghetti pasta. Sprinkle Parmesan cheese or grated Parmesan cheese. Garnish with more parsley. Ta-ta! This Italian meatball pasta is so tender, juicy, meaty, savory and creamy all in one bite. It tastes like heaven. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to see more. Try it out and let me know what you think. And check out other videos. See you next time.